Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Melancholy Chill, and today we're here to pick up where I left off last time, talking about cryptocurrency adoption. So the next biggest problem facing cryptocurrency adoption is on the side of knowledge. So nobody really knows about cryptocurrency, um, and so that was kind of the inspiration for me to start making videos on YouTube to help kind of bring awareness and some understanding. So today what I want to do is share some resources with you to help you on your crypto journey. So these are all going to be free resources that I use personally to learn about cryptocurrency. So first, I have two playlists on YouTube. One for kind of crypto beginners. This is strictly for I try to keep all these videos as beginner friendly as possible. So you don't have to go and use the my playlist, but if you are looking for cryptocurrency content, I did try and curate this to cater to crypto newbies. So if you have the time and resources, it is probably worth it to go through this playlist and watch a few of these videos. The next playlist, this one is much larger. So this playlist only has 67 videos, but this one has over 1,000. So this is a much more broad playlist of just all things cryptocurrency. So every cryptocurrency video on YouTube that I personally find, I'll throw onto this playlist, or all the ones with value that I find and personally watched. And I thought it was good enough. Like I might in the future come back to it if I needed to. So what I've done is I've basically curated a gigantic list of every cryptocurrency YouTube video I could find. And also, in addition to that, I have on my channel, if we go to all my other playlists, I don't just have cryptocurrency playlists. I actually have playlists for most things, like a surprising amount of things. Drugs, life advice, video games, education, space. It goes on and on. This is not all of them. I actually have quite a few playlists. So as you can see, I have on many topics. If you ever need a free resource, if you want to learn a specific subject, it's a pretty good chance it's on here. Okay, so I'm gonna go through some crypto YouTubers, some of the best. So starting off, we have ChicoCrypto. His videos are kind of offbeat and fun. It's very easy to consume. His content is well researched. He's arguably one of the best YouTubers making cryptocurrency content right now. I'm a big fan. I love his content. Very entertaining. Very insightful. All right. Next up, we have Benjamin. Benjamin makes some of the best technical analysis. His model, I think he has a background in doing modeling or doing statistics. Regardless, he has some amazing charts that are his infographics are like premium. Like normally you'd have to pay a lot of money for these type of videos, but he just gives it out for free. His analysis is amazing, and I make a lot of my. I mean, he's not a financial advisor, but I make some of my financial decisions based off of his videos. So that's just to say that he is an extremely talented person, and his videos are amazing. Next up is the Money GPS. So this isn't specifically about cryptocurrency. However, it is about the U.S. economy, and he has a really deep understanding of the financial system. So he goes hard on the traditional finance system, and he knows. He seems to have some strong opinions that I agree with about how and where the economy is going. So I love everything he has to say about the economy, and I can't recommend his videos enough. Very insightful. It's a little bit sad. I think he likes to kind of arouse a certain, get people angry or emotional about this type of thing because it's a big deal what's happening. So he talks about like financial crisis, jobs, and other things. And also, this all ties into cryptocurrency because he's kind of talking about how the traditional finance system is failing us in certain ways. So I think he is personally advocating for gold, but gold bugs and cryptocurrency people seem to share a lot of the same beliefs. So he does that really well. Next up is Coinburo. This guy makes absolutely beastly reviews. His crypto reviews are amazing. He goes somewhat in depth, so his videos are like 30 minutes long, but everything he says is well curated. So he makes his videos, they're super informative, and what he says is like he actually knows what he's talking about. I really appreciate his content. One of my favorite people in crypto, definitely underrated. So he's great. Next up, we have DataDash. DataDash, he looks at the markets more broadly. What he does is mostly just look at charts and the economy at large. Crypto Zombies mostly he does some of the news and he looks at charts. His TA is amazing. His videos are very good. By the way, all these channels, I'll link them in the description. Um, Altcoin Daily does the news. He has videos every single day. I just appreciate his personality. He's easy to watch. His videos are generally very noob friendly, crypto noob friendly. Digital asset news. This guy is he has a background in finance. His videos are pretty insightful into like I don't know. He seems to know what he's talking about, so I enjoy his channel. Lark Davis. Lark Davis is kind of like an investing in financial strategy kind of guy. He talks about how your portfolio should look, and you know, he talks about all the emotions that come with trading, what to do, what not to do. So recommend him very highly. This one's a bit different. This is Charles Hoskinson. He is the CEO of IOHK and the creator of Cardano. He was heavily involved in a co-creator of Ethereum. He's I mean, like, he does everything. He's just like a crypto all-star, and his videos are very insightful into the creation of cryptocurrency. So if you want, his videos are pretty long. He basically, every week he does an update or a few updates, and while his videos are a bit technical at times and really difficult to understand, to be honest, I struggle to understand. He really knows what he's talking about. He talks about economic identity, and he talks a bit about like politics and how that plays into money. And basically, he wants to create a more fair system of money. And I absolutely love him. He's a total inspiration. This man is a genius, in my opinion. Anthony Pompliano. He is a traditional investor, so he comes from the traditional finance space, and he mostly does podcasts. He has this daily lunch money thing, which I always watch. He talks to some really important people, and he tells them about Bitcoin. And I think he's a little bit of a maximalist, meaning he likes Bitcoin over other coins. However, he's still a very smart guy, and he said a lot of influential things and convinced a lot of people. And for good reason. He's a really, very smart. Okay, so off of YouTube. Now this is made by Digital Asset News. He's basically gone and reviewed each exchange. So when you sign up for when you want to buy cryptocurrency or sell cryptocurrency, you have to. There's like one of several exchanges. So like Kraken, Coinbase. You can see all of them here. And basically, what he's done is he's gone and provided you with everything you need to know. Basically, like the cost to entry, the fees, what they have available on their exchange, and he's gone ahead and made some recommendations. So it's worth going through this if you need to choose an exchange to use, or you don't know where to start. I can recommend going through this, and he even has the one he doesn't recommend, and the ones that he's still evaluating. And I really like his analysis. So again, this is linked in the description if you would like to take a look. The next resource is Coingecko. They are just for data and the market. So what you can do here is you can just look at each coin and you sort it by day, sort it by market cap. The reason I like Coingecko is that they update very quickly. So they include new coins on the market almost immediately as they come out. So I often have an easy time finding the coins I want. And then also they have this feature where you can rate, like you can get investor sentiment. So as you can see, this is updated daily, and you can get a sense of how bullish or bearish people are. And then in addition, you can see all trading pairs. So this is extremely useful if you are looking to buy a cryptocurrency and you don't know where to buy it. What you would do is you would go down here to the markets, and these are all the exchanges that Bitcoin's on. So if you wanted to buy some obscure coin, the way you'd buy it is by looking at the market pairs. So say you want to buy Avalanche. You're like, ooh, I've heard really good things about this. How can I buy it? How can I buy it? Well, we just scroll down here to see the trading list. So we see that it's on Binance. So you download Binance, or you go to the Binance website and then sign up, and then you start trading the Binance USD pair. So that is how you can figure that out. And then also they have a bunch of other features like DeFi. So now they're including DeFi projects. What else do they have? They have market research. Some of my research I've done, some of the papers I've read from them, they basically do a summary every month, totally for free. So I recommend signing up for that and reading it. Okay, moving on, we have Messari. This is also information on data and the market. What's nice about Messari is that they've made a strong effort to weed out any false information. So oftentimes, you'll get like fake volume. Well, that's one of the biggest issues with determining whether or not to buy something is knowing whether the volume is real or not. So what Messari does is they have their system is specifically designed to weed out fake volume. Um, so yeah, so it has real volume. So I'm not totally sure how they figured this out, but basically I trust Messari more than any other exchange. They just seem to be able to determine the real volume from fake volume much more easily than other places. So the next resource is trading TradingView. So TradingView is straight charts. Charts are boring and they're kind of I personally hate seeing charts when I'm watching crypto videos because I don't like to look at the price every minute of the day. But charts are kind of like the heart and blood of cryptocurrency, right? This is like people will spend so much time just drawing lines on the chart to try and figure out, where's the price going next. And so they'll draw all these lines, they'll come to all these conclusions, they'll use all these like technical analysis. What's really nice about TradingView is that I don't really use it, but you can compare a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. So you can look at like you could say like you can make a bunch of interesting charts. You can compare all sorts of different things, and I don't personally use it that much. I just know that it's an extremely useful resource for traders. And you can get data going back, way back. So this is the Bitcoin chart, and it goes all the way back to 2013. So it's really, really, really good for looking at the history of coins, because it might be more difficult to look at it otherwise. Next up, we have Glassnode. Glassnode is an on-chain analysis. So this is Bitcoin addresses with more than one Bitcoin. So as you can see, a lot of people are starting to buy their first Bitcoin, and you can go through and look at most different currencies, and you can get a really good idea of where they're going. Glassnode is a great resource. Next up is forums. So there's a lot of interesting places you can go. I know that some people like to go to 4chan, like business, or ooh, my browser just crashed. Okay, my browser. Okay, we're back. There's some merit to that. Any forum is a good forum because there's a lot of people with a lot of knowledge, and it's a good place to get a lot of crypto newbies. Probably the first place they should start is on on these forums. So this is the cryptocurrency subreddit. Basically, you get people here sharing their experiences, sharing their media, talking about cryptocurrency adoption, and it's a great resource for being a part of the community and getting a first-hand experience of what people are talking about. And then in addition to that, there's every single cryptocurrency, most popular cryptocurrencies will have their own subreddits. So I know for Unstoppable Domains, when you go to the Unstoppable Domains subreddit, you can find all the latest videos covering this topic. You can find people trying to trade their domains or find updates. So it's just a really nice curated place to, do research on any subject, any cryptocurrency, or any community. Next up is Cointelegraph. This is where there's a lot of crypto news websites, but Cointelegraph is probably the most popular for crypto news. So basically, you can just go through here, and every day they come out with lots and lots of articles, and it's a good starting point. You can, read what they said, and then you can find out more by, clicking on the links and then reading up on it more and diving deeper. And they do a really good job covering and keeping you up to date. And that's it for now. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys find these free, use these resources, utilize them for the best, and start getting educated on cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.